Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a small claims lawsuit. First, assess if your dispute falls within the small claims limit, which is often around $10,000, though it varies by state. Next, pinpoint the correct court location based on where the defendant lives or where the incident occurred. Finally, meticulously collect all relevant documents, like contracts, receipts, and communication records, to build a strong case. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Once you have prepared, it is time to complete the official plaintiff's claim form. Fill out every section precisely, detailing your claim and the amount you are seeking. After completing the form, you will pay a filing fee, which usually ranges from $30 to $75, depending on your state and the claim amount. The most critical step is properly serving the defendant with the lawsuit papers, ensuring they receive official notice of the claim against them. As your court date approaches, thorough preparation is key. Systematically organize all your evidence, such as photos, emails, and contracts, ensuring it is easy to present. If you have witnesses, confirm their availability and what they will say. Practice explaining your side of the story clearly and concisely, focusing on the facts. Familiarize yourself with the court's specific rules and etiquette to feel more confident and prepared on the day of your hearing. After the judge delivers a decision, take time to fully understand the ruling and any instructions provided. If you win, the court does not automatically collect the money for you. You will need to learn about collection methods, such as wage garnishment or bank levies. If you are not satisfied with the outcome, you might have the option to appeal the decision within a specific time frame, usually 30 days. Knowing these post-judgment steps is essential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.